How to research a university. If you want to know more about a university that you're thinking of attending or recommending, it's very easy to do online or in the library. Steps. 1. Find the universities or colleges that interest you. If you're not sure which university will suit you, begin at the beginning. Look for universities worldwide using a searchable database of universities around the world, such as Universities Worldwide, Brain Track College and University Directory, etc. Note that these sites are provided to help you. This is not an endorsement of them or any other site. Do your own investigations. 2. If you prefer to search by book, there are also publications available in good libraries that detail the available universities and colleges worldwide, along with contact details, specializations, points of interest, etc. If you don't know where to start, ask for help from a librarian. 3. Look at the university's own website. Once you've chosen some universities or colleges that interest you, go to their own homepage online and start looking through the key data. Good areas to look include the information for prospective students, history of the university, courses offered, key highlights of the educational programs offered, etc. 4. Look for comparison sites. There are quite a number of these. Some are country-dependent, others take a more international focus. Do a search using words such as university, college comparisons, compare universities, colleges, etc. These will give you some feedback on people's impressions of the strengths and weaknesses of courses etc. offered at the various universities and colleges. 5. Check out reviews of universities and colleges. Newspapers and current affairs magazines often do yearly reviews of how the universities and colleges are faring in your country. If you know the publications, search those direct, otherwise use the search engine to help you locate such reviews. Or, ask a librarian for help. 6. Visit the university or college. If you live near the one you're interested in, go and visit it and see what it is like. Visit its library and do some research by reading their literature, asking questions of current students and staff, etc. 7. Send away for literature. When you've narrowed down the universities and colleges of interest to you, request their information packs. This will include a lot of sales pitch, so don't forget to also rely on your background research of reviews, word of mouth, and comparisons to help you reach your decision about the quality of education offered and the quality of the institution as a whole. Tips. Talk to people you know who went to universities and colleges that might be of interest to you, family, friends, neighbors, etc. and get their views and ideas too. This is word of mouth research and is often very useful.